Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, look at the tech stocks as well. Tesla getting beaten up last night. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technical. We had a big hit on the tech stocks yesterday. Unity down 4%, Tesla 3%, Meta down 3%. Now, I tweeted the other day that how Meta reacts will tell us if we had a blow-off top. A 3% correction is quite strong, but after a 20% pump, it's not so strong. If we can get a rebound, then we have a continuation. But I'm going to look at the Nasdaq to go more into detail, not just guess. Bitcoin, 42,619. We can see that Bitcoin is traveling. Actually, I could say that would be the trend line. We can see Bitcoin is traveling in this channel. Actually, I would do it. There's multiple touches. Not really. This channel is broken, actually. Bitcoin broke that channel yesterday. Strong support area now is 38,000. Actually, major area of support we've got here. Bitcoin keeps bouncing off. I mean, it doesn't even come that far anymore. No longer goes to 40,000. It's been bouncing off, traveling between 43,000 and 42,000. Yesterday as well, 43,000, 42,000. We haven't been actually at 40 underneath 40,000 since, we haven't been underneath 40,000 since January 26th. So Bitcoin is actually holding here, and I'm seeing a big inverse head and shoulders starting to play out. You can see here, shoulder, head, shoulder on Bitcoin, which is interesting. Stochastic is heading down. On the weekly, stochastic is heading down. On the monthly, stochastic is still overbought. Whenever the stochastic is above the dotted lines, it's overbought, time to be selling. Whenever the stochastic is below the dotted lines, time to buy, especially on the weekly and the monthly. Crypto Guru Bot is still firing a blue buy, which it fired on the beginning of January 2023. It fired a blue buy at 21,000, and it's still a blue buy on the Bitcoin indicator bot. You get it in the Crypto Master Course, number 2 in the description. The Bitcoin and this Bitcoin, sorry, that was the Crypto Guru bot. The Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at 48. It didn't fire a buy yet, but we did have an inverse. We had a doji candle on the weekly. We had an inverse hammer on the weekly. On the monthly, we had a doji reversal pattern. But so far, no big sell-offs. We're still holding this kind of trend line here, you could say. Let's go closer, 4-hourly. Bitcoin has a new kind of resistance area now. You can say that this is where the move that Bitcoin keeps moving between now, right? 200 moving average is squeezing it. Still following my red dotted line. Pulled back a little bit from this morning. Stochastic turning up on the 4-hourly. We're getting a bounce in the last 4 hours. Let's go closer on the last hour. Got a bounce off the trend line. When we go closer, we can see the trend line exactly more. So you can see that Bitcoin is in this symmetrical triangle with a breakout, usually 70% of the move. So the breakout target would be here. So Bitcoin is about to go for a run. If we can get a volume spike on the 7th of February at 7 p.m. Asian time, Bitcoin is going to go for a run. So I would go long off this yearly trend line. You see you've got the daily, weekly, and yearly supports. I would go long from here. Tight stop loss. On a bit of a pullback. Let's make a bit of stop loss. And take profit. First one is at the top of the channel. So I would say here. Actually, no, we had to keep that. There's one at 44,000. There's a big resistance. First target, I would say 4,000, 49,000, and longer term target 61, my second to third impulse wave. Risk to reward 120 times, risking $160 to make $19,259. Risking $160 to make $19,259 without leverage. Again, nowhere else in the world can you risk $160 to make $19,259 per Bitcoin. Now, if someone's watching this and going, oh, there's no way you can make $20,000 with $160, you have to actually take the Crypto Master Course, number 2 in the description, actually understand what we're doing and understand that you can. So this trade would be risking $160 without leverage to make $19,259 per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it's $192,000 profits. 100x leverage, $1.9 million profits. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 42,292, stop loss 42,132, take profit 49K, 44K, and 61K is the targets. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you see me do currently, underneath the video, go down below. Under the video, one is the exchanges that I use. You've got Bybit, BingX, and Binance. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. Make sure you've taken all the courses. The Crypto Master course goes in-depth technical analysis trading. But I recommend take all the courses before you join the Telegram with 9,000 other pro traders. My Bitcoin trade right now is $41,000 in the profits, 330%. I've made 11,814 profit and $41,000 profit. So 11,000 already realized. 0.01 funding fee. The funding fee coming back a little bit. This account 503,000. Yesterday it hit 512,000. So pulling back a little bit. Last night it pulled back. I've got Bitcoin 2, Bitcoin USDT 74,000, FXS 61,000 up 4%, Doge 56,000 about even, Uniswap 43,000 of Uniswap, MCRT 39,000, Pocket 25,000, World 11,000. This is what I'm holding on this account. Let's go into Tesla. I want to see where supports. I'll have to leave Ethereum. Actually, let's quickly go Tesla. Tesla pulled back, huge drop. Blue lines are my buy lines. It already triggered one of my buys at 191. I bought at 191. We are now at, I bought at 191. Then we bounced and then we pulled back again. I bought at 191 a second time, and now we're pulling back. My other target 180 hit, and 170 is my next buy. So my blue lines are my next buys. I think this would be, yeah, major area of support. We also have a major area of support here. I don't think it comes down to 120, to be honest. We have too much support at 154, 170. My target was 180, where we are right now, actually, to pull back on the ABC correction and then get the next start of the next wave up on this trend line. You can see Tesla pull back to this main trend line that it's been on since 2020. This white trend line, you can see pumped and then pulled back. Bull flag failing, actually. Interesting. So there's a lot of supports coming here at 170 and 154. Love you all, everyone. That's my updates in the market. You can follow and understand everything. Take the Crypto Master course. Learn how to do technical analysis. Learn how to trade. If you're skeptical, watch my videos for free. Every day you can watch them for free. I make them daily for the last 4 years almost, which is beautiful. Made many multi-millionaires, as you can see here. Under the video, go down below the courses, the exchanges, and everything. And you can see some comments from students. My portfolio hit over $1 million because James Purse is buying $2 million house, bought a $500,000, bought a Villian Punta Cana, made $500,000. You can see just many comments from people, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Updates on the market, and join us in the Telegram. And let's see how we do here. But I do think Bitcoin and Tesla coming close to a bounce. In the next video in 12 hours, I'll do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll try to do the NASDAQ. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.